They say experience is the best teacher. So I'm going to be making this video based on what I experienced, why you should learn useful skills before relocating to the United Kingdom. Good day everyone, and welcome back to Nurses Lecture Room YouTube channel. My name is Nurse Mary, popularly known as the Nurse with the Difference, and I make learning easy and accessible for students. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 8 skills you should learn before you relocate to the United Kingdom. The last one is going to shock you. Yes, just make sure you watch the last one. The number 8 is going to shock you. But before we go into details into this class, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button so you don't miss out. For all my returning subscribers, I am saying thank you. Let's go there. Welcome back. Like I earlier said, today I'm going to be sharing with us 8 skills that you should learn before relocating to the UK, why you have the opportunity to do it. Because when you get here, you might find it difficult to learn these skills, and they are very, very important to help you save cost and help you live very well in the UK. So the first one I have is for the male counterparts, the boys, the men. The first thing I would advise you to do is to learn how to barb your hair yourself. Yes, you should learn how to barb your hair yourself. It's not going to take a lot from you. Just get your own clipper. For those that already have their clipper, at least learn how to get some good low cut, even if you're not styling it, because it's going to be very expensive cutting your hair here, especially when you just came and you don't really have enough funds with you. I remember the first week, I think the first week, my husband's hair is always going rough. So immediately before we came, a day before we came down, he barbed his hair. But all of a sudden it went rough. That's just his nature because he has a lot of hair. So he went to the barbing salon, like he thought he was in Nigeria. He just forgot actually. I don't know what he was thinking that day because he's usually very, very smart. He's usually very, very creative. I don't know what he was thinking that day. So he entered, it was like he wants to have a cut. So he sat down, they shaved the beards, they barbed the hair. He was like, what's my bill? And they told him 30 pounds. 30 what? 30 pounds. Could you please convert 30 pounds to Naira and know the amount so you know how much they told him to pay for just getting his hair cut? Though some other areas, because we are living in a high cost area, some other areas you can get it for 15-20 pounds. It's still very expensive compared to what we know back then in Nigeria. So that is why sometimes you don't just convert their money to Naira because you just die of hypertension. But if you have basic skills of barbing your hair, it's going to help you save a lot here, especially if you're that kind of person like my husband, that his hair grows almost every time, so we have to keep barbing to stay fresh and look fine for me. You understand? So the next time he barbed his hair, I think I was the one that barbed it. We both barbed the hair together, and that's how we be doing it for the now. See, we are very, very rich, but the now we don't have money, so that's how we'll be doing it for the now. So as a male, the first thing I think you should learn is to know how to barb your hair yourself. Then for the ladies, the second point, the second skills is to know how to make your hair yourself. I'm not talking about this big braid, this fixing of weave-on or something. At least learn to make a back that you can easily wear your weave-on cap on top. That's going to go a long way to help you. And for ladies that have kids, children needs their hair to be changed, because you agree with me that children, their hair gets rough easily. So when you know how to do this small style for your babies, for your kids, it's going to help them. It's going to help you save costs, because my husband's cousin that's in the UK, we're having some conversation, and he said she made her hair recently for just 80 pounds. For 80 pounds. So I was like, what? 80 pounds? I believe is looking very big to me because I'm new to the system. Maybe as time goes on, I will have the 80 pounds to spend on my hair. But now I don't have 80 pounds to just spend for fixing or braiding. You get? So as a man, the first thing is to learn how to barb your hair, and as a lady, the second thing is to learn how to make your hair, how to also wash your hair. You know, in Nigeria, we can easily go to the salon, do washing and setting, and our hair is good. But here, the cost alone will make you go home, watch YouTube videos, and learn how to wash your hair yourself. So those are the 2 skills I've given you. Then the third skills for the lady is makeup. In Nigeria, you can easily walk into any store like, oh, I'm going for one bay. I need a makeup done on my face. I want to do a video. I need a makeup done on my face. and you get it at a very cheaper rate compared to what you pay here. So when you know how to do your makeup, it's not going to stress you. Since I came, I've not really seen a makeup studio where you can go to makeup, so it's going to be, getting one is going to be difficult, and when you finally get one, it might cost you a lot. You get to do it, and maybe because I've not spent longer, but I've not seen anyone since I've been here. Yeah, so I think it's necessary for ladies to know how to do their basic makeup. That's a light makeup. I really don't know how to do it before, but I think I was being tutored by my husband gradually on how to do some light makeup. So he's the one teaching me. I'm not shy to say it. I just have to learn because I don't have money to be spending every time I want to go out or something on makeup. So as ladies, you should learn how to do your light makeup yourself. Then the fourth point is cooking. Yes, back then in Nigeria, they will tell you, the African culture generally, they will tell you that the men are also not supposed to cook, just the women are supposed to be in the kitchen. In the UK, most times when your wife is not at home, your wife has gone to the work, coming back, your wife is stressed out, your wife is weak, and you have been at home, so we expect you to do the cooking for us. So as a man, you have to learn basic cooking skills. At least you should be able to do the one or two things. We know back then in Nigeria, you had house help, you had housemaid that were able to help you do this, but here you getting house help, the money, when you reason the money you use for house help a month, you remember how many plot of land you used to buy it in Nigeria. So I think you should learn how to do basic cooking skills, because getting cooked food is expensive, especially Nigerian food is expensive. So I think that's the fourth point. Then the fifth point is riding a bicycle. I know you like, oh, why will I learn how to ride a bicycle? Riding a bicycle doesn't come with any charges. You know, I like free things, I like cheap things, I like things that make me conserve money. So riding a bicycle will help you save money, especially if your work area is a little bit far from your home. It's going to help you save money. It's going to make transportation easy. You are not going to be paying road usage tax. You're not going to be paying all those tax when riding a bicycle. You are free from it. But if you just come to the UK and your first thing is to buy a car, you can buy a car, but yeah, I feel there are other charges attached to it at the moment. And also for those that don't have driving experience, you can't get your driving license once. You have to go through driving school. You have to do a lot of training. You have to get your license. You have to pay some tax in order for you to use your cars on the road, and that might take you a lot. So when you're just coming, you can just get a bicycle. With a bicycle, you can do a lot of things. Here, you can get car of £500. You can get car of £600. So car is not a big matter. Seriously. Since I came here, I don't see car something like a big matter like the way we hype it back then. So car is not something you can get car of £500. So getting a car, you can get bicycle of £3,000. Let me sound it in your ear. So some bicycles can be more expensive than car. Because I know bicycle is a big mass property. You have different classes of bicycle. So some bicycles can be more expensive than cars. You get, but just try and get a good bicycle. You're going to enjoy the ride and everything. That's the fifth skills you should learn as a man. I advise, I'm not saying it's compulsory that you should learn it. Then the sixth thing is that as a man, you should learn to do some basic electrical work, some basic carpentering work, some basic things in the house, like changing of bulbs and doing all those minor things. Because hey, carpenters, electrician, plumber, all those three set of people, they are very expensive here. So I think as a man, you should learn how to do those basic things. It will help you save a lot of cost in the UK. Then along that, the seventh point I'll have to share with you is how to take care of kids. Yes, most times we leave this caring for the kids for just the women alone. As couples coming to Nigeria, to UK, I think it's best for both the father and the mother to learn how to take care of their children. Yes, when the mother goes to work, before he comes, the man should change diapers. The man should help at least take care of that baby, not waiting for the woman to come to do all their basic things. So these are the reasons why women call police for their husband, because they are stressed out. Their husband is not helping out. They go to work, they still come back, they cook, they do this, they do that. So they get stressed out, they get tired, and they are frustrated at that moment. So as a man, learn how to take care of your kids, learn how to wash their clothes, learn how to change their diaper, learn how to feed them. It's going to make your marriage sweeter. For me, I don't have a kid yet, but I feel it's going to make your marriage sweeter when your wife knows, oh, I have a supportive husband that is always there for me. So that is that for the 7 points. I mean, then the number 8 point, it's very, 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 very important. It's financial management. Yes, you have to learn how to manage your money. You have to know how to manage finance. Yes, if you don't know how to manage finance, even when you get to the UK, you'll be in debt. Yeah, if you don't know how to manage finance, when you get to the UK, you will be in debt. So one thing I want couples, ladies, men to know is how to manage their finance. Don't get things because people are getting it. Get things because you need it and it's going to make life comfortable for you. You get, always learn to draft out your budget. When you draft out your budget, oh, this will be going for savings, this is going to be for feeding, this is going to be for house rent. If you don't know how to manage money, if you don't know how to spend money, if you don't know how to save money, you will be in UK and you will be in debt. Because I've heard a lot of people in the UK currently that are in debt. They are still paying debt. Not just the black, even the white people themselves. I don't know, sorry. So generally, there are some people that are still in debt because they live by debt. You just have to learn to manage your finance. Sow your quotes according to your size. If you know you are earning £1,000, if you are earning £500, sow it according to that £500. Stop forming big balls that you are not. Stop trying to please your village people. Stop trying to please your town people. You are not there because of them. You are there because you have something to get. You understand? So learn how to manage finance. Learn how not to please people. Learn how to please yourself. Learn how to please God and not people. You get, oh, you want to showcase you are now wearing designers. Please, brother in Christ, learn how to manage your money. You just came. So I think financial management is what most people are facing. They don't know how to manage their finance. They earn well, but they don't know how to manage, and they end up not saving anything. So financial management is very, very important. If you don't know how to manage finance, I think the first thing you have to do is to settle down and learn it. There are a lot of videos I feel that can help you manage your finance or something. It's just for you to be conscious of your budget, what you spend, and how you place priorities on things. You get, so financial management is very, very important when you are in the UK, or else you'll be in soup. Okay, I guess these points have helped you share that. These skills that I've shared with you is able to help you prepare for those that are coming to be able to get to the UK, because you need them. It's very important. It will help you save money, it will help you live longer, and it will help you smile longer. All right, thank you very much, and you have a wonderful day ahead. If you are a nursing student and you've not registered for our classes on Telegram, you are missing a lot. All you have to do is to send a message to the WhatsApp number showing on your screen to have access to all our videos. This will help you prepare for the nursing and midwifery council exam profile. To have a wonderful day ahead. See you in our next video. Bye.